I'm sure you're very familiar with the name Neutrogena. There are all kinds of celebrities boasting its rich lineup and the overall benefits of being able to have that healthy, clear, and almost wrinkle-free skin that we're all looking for. Well, our youth can be reattained by using some of the products that will be coming up in this hour. So do stay with us as we talk about Neutrogena Dermatologics. It is a brand that is not available anywhere else other than here at the shopping channel right now. You can't run to your local store and pick this up. It's as close to the medical grade as you can possibly get without getting a prescription. Item 430435. I'm sure you're also familiar with the word retinol. And well, this is the Retinol NX Serum available in the Neutrogena line at $75. Just a tiny drop will do it. And here to talk about is my guest. I'm sure you know him from a few popular reality TV shows, but he is a board certified dermatologist. Dr. Will Kirby, nice to have you here.
Nice to see you. Thank you for having me.
Oh, we are most pleased to have you here, and it's nice to have an authority on good skincare.
Well, I always tell people the word doctor is derived from the word doctorate, which means to teach. So I love to teach. I love to educate. If you have any calls, I'm happy to answer them. So any information I can provide for you about dermatological skincare that's why I'm here.
And you do travel around quite a bit. You have your own practice in Beverly Hills, a place where most people go, where the most beautiful people in the world are, right?
Absolutely. I tell people if you can make it in Beverly Hills as a dermatologist, you can make it anywhere, because the patients in Beverly Hills are so incredibly discriminating, and that's why we really try to bring them that upper echelon of skincare that Neutrogena Dermatologics provides.
And you're only as good as the skincare that's available to your clients.
Well, I always tell people I'm the least hypocritical dermatologist you'll ever meet. The same products that I recommend for my clients, my patients, those are the same products that my family use, that I use myself.
And it's really impressive that the formulation of this particular Neutrogena product will really begin to deliver the results that maybe you've been waiting for, or other products have promised you and you're not seeing those results. It comes down to the combination of ingredients and the potency and the stabilization and all that other scientific stuff that goes along with it.
100%. And if I could just take one little step backwards really quickly, I want to say Neutrogena Dermatologics is that specialized professional division of Neutrogena. And what that means is they take the regular skincare line that's available to you and they take it to the upper echelon. It's sort of a way to kickstart those products. Like you mentioned, it's professional level solutions, and it's the highest quality ingredients. So it's the specialized professional division.
And it's also something, Dr. Kirby, that you can also layer in with your existing skincare line.
Absolutely. Now I tell people it's exclusive. You can only get it here. This is the only. It's an exclusive product, exclusive product line. But it is very, very powerful, so it should be the first thing that comes in contact with your skin, although you can use it with other products.
And serums are known for their potency. They really do deliver strong results. And at the price of $75, you think, okay, well, how long is this bottle going to last me? And really only a teeny little drop is accurate that it'll use?
Exactly. And what people say, what is this product for exactly? Superior anti-aging benefits. This is for people who want to kickstart their anti-aging regime into a higher level, help with all those signs of aging. Softness, luminosity, smoother skin. There's a real beauty message associated with this line, but it's superior anti-aging benefits that give you that youthful, more beautiful appearance, and that's what the product line does.
All right, so as a dermatologist, let's talk about what retinol is, and I know some people may steer away from it quickly because they've heard of maybe side effects or things that can happen using retinol.
There's so many misconceptions out there about retinol. Retinols are loved by dermatologists. I absolutely love retinols, but it has to be formulated in a particular way. Stabilization is an imperative part of that process.
Right.
And when we talk about why we know retinols work, it's not just me as a board-certified dermatologist. There's more than 2,800 publications that testify that retinols are considered a gold standard for any anti-aging regime. The difference is that Neutrogena Dermatologics stabilize their retinol. So, and it's also in combination with the other ingredients within the product. But a stabilized retinol is imperative because that means the strength you're getting on day one is the same strength that you're getting when the bottle runs out. So stabilization is an imperative part of that process, and it really mitigates some of those problems that people have experienced in the past.
Even in the packaging, you'll notice that everything is self-contained in a pump delivery system. So just a little pump, and it is in a metered dose. So what you have that comes out of this pump is what you'll use on the entirety of your face and continue down to your chest and to your neck area too?
You can absolutely use it on the neck, the chest, the décolleté as they call it, or the back of the hands, but a pearl-sized amount, the size of a pearl, is enough to cover your entire face. And I tell people this is a full facial product, thin layer to cover the entire face. It's sensitive enough that you can use it around your eyes, which is the most sensitive part of your skin area, but it's also powerful enough to really see that clinical difference. The thing is, though, it's not just that stabilized retinol. It also, the other ingredient in it is tetrol E. What does tetrol E do? Firms, tightens, restores elasticity, and as a result, it's the marriage of those two proprietary ingredients that give this beautiful exclusive formula.
And now, Dr. Kirby, how quickly will we begin to see results? We have a 30-day money-back guarantee here.
Sure.
So.
Well, I tell people that it's really important, and this is where the education process comes in. Any adult skin, the cycle that your skin is on is a 35 to 57-day cycle, and that means that any product you start today, it's going to take a good 6 to 8 weeks to really start seeing that difference. And that's something I really try to emphasize to my patients when you come to my office, which is that if we have to do a skin cancer surgery, you're looking at a good 6 to 8 weeks before you're going to see that heal up well. And it's the same with any skin process, especially the anti-aging process. 6 to 8 weeks is really where you're going to start seeing that difference. And we also have clinical studies to back that up, and I'll talk about those in just a few minutes and give you some statistics.
Yeah, absolutely. And